Welcome back, everyone. Well, check out this incredible weather video. This one was sent in to us by our certified weather watcher, Eddie Corral. Check out that flooding that took place in Montoya. This is in the Upper Valley, West El Paso area. And so lots of rain came down today in Northeast El Paso, West El Paso, enough to cause this kind of flooding. Just check that out. Guys, it's very important to just remind everyone, turn around, don't drown. If you do see any kind of flooding in your roadways, if you can take an alternate route, that would be fantastic. You never know what's underneath, if the road is underneath or if there's a big hole under it.
Right, and it only takes a few inches, right, to sweep your car off the road.
Absolutely. It's very little water that can hydroplane your car. So it's one of those things that even if you have a truck, so you don't want to take your chances with that.
And it happened so quick. I remember you saying earlier today we were 2 inches below average. Did that storm, I guess, help matters?
Oh my God, I'm so glad you brought that up. No.
There we go.
Let me show you why. So actually what ended up happening is now you can actually see those mostly clear skies outside your window. This is a live picture of a mountain camera, and it almost feels like nothing happened. That's exactly what our record books are indicating, that nothing happened. Why? Because those storms happen in Northeast El Paso, West El Paso. We have our weather station at the airport. So because nothing happened, well, nothing happened at the airport, we have nothing to register for today. So when you go back on this date later on, it's going to show like we never had any kind of rain in our area. I know it's a little disappointing, but it does keep us below average. So we're looking at still 0.15 inches of rain for the month. We're supposed to be at ½ an inch. So even though today's rain event was rather impressive, nothing fell at the airport, nothing got registered. We're still at 2 inches of rain for the year. That's 2 inches below average. So we still have a ways to go. We're looking at 82 degrees at the airport, northerly winds at about 9 miles per hour. And so as far as our temperatures go, we were above average slightly by a degree. 96 degrees is what we registered today. 71 is how we started off the morning. So it was quite beautiful. And tonight, it looks like we'll be getting a little closer to seasonal. 73 degrees is what we're forecasting at the airport for tonight into tomorrow morning. 69 in Las Cruces, 72 in Juarez. We still have quite a bit of moisture, although most of it is staying towards the north of us, and that's going to translate in less of a chance to see some rain. Now, because we rained ourselves out in Northeast West El Paso, there's a chance that tomorrow we may see all the action in East El Paso, Central El Paso, the lower valley. So we'll keep an eye out in those areas. 96 degrees, your forecast high in El Paso. We're going with a 20% chance of rain. So rain chances do decrease a little bit, but those areas, East, Central, and Lower Valley, are going to be the areas that we're going to look at specifically in the sense that we could potentially see some rain there tomorrow afternoon. Now, better rain chances kick in on Thursday, so we might see more widespread rain on Thursday. Thursday, we also have the possibility of heavy rainfall, hail, lightning, much like today. We could see on Thursday. We'll drop to 92 degrees Thursday, 93 Friday, 94 on Saturday. So we're going to stay a little bit below average. I do want to give a big shout out to our weather watcher, Diana Otero. Thank you so much for becoming a weather watcher, and thank you so much for allowing us to see this beautiful sunset in Far East El Paso off of Zaragoza and Edgemere. And if you would like to be featured on KTSM 9 News, go ahead and submit those beautiful weather photos to us through our social media platforms or email.